In today's fast-paced digital world, traditional marketing methods are no longer enough to capture the attention of consumers. With an overwhelming amount of content bombarding them from all angles, people have become adept at tuning out conventional advertising techniques. So how can businesses break through the noise and engage their target audience effectively? The answer lies in interactive content strategies that not only grab attention but also provide value and create memorable experiences for users. Quizzes and surveys. Captivating audiences with personalization. One effective way to engage your audience is by creating quizzes and surveys that cater to their individual preferences or needs. By offering personalized recommendations or insights based on their responses, you can establish a deeper connection with potential customers. For example, a beauty brand could create a quiz titled, "Find Your Perfect Skincare Routine," where users answer questions about their skin type and concerns. At the end of the quiz, they receive tailored product recommendations along with expert tips for maintaining healthy skin. This interactive experience not only captures attention but also provides valuable information that users are likely to share with others. Interactive videos. Immersive storytelling for enhanced engagement. Videos have long been recognized as an effective marketing tool, but incorporating interactivity takes engagement to new heights. Interactive videos allow viewers to actively participate in the storytelling process by making choices or exploring different paths within the video itself. Imagine a car manufacturer creating an interactive video showcasing its latest model's features and performance capabilities. Viewers could choose which aspects they want to learn more about, from safety features to entertainment options, allowing them to customize their viewing experience while gaining valuable insights into what sets this car apart from competitors. Gamification. Turning engagement into fun and rewards. Humans are naturally drawn towards games. We love challenges, competition, and rewards. Incorporating gamification elements into your marketing strategy can help you tap into this innate desire for entertainment and make your brand more memorable. For instance, a fitness app could create a gamified challenge where users earn points or badges for completing daily workouts. By setting goals, tracking progress, and offering rewards such as exclusive content or discounts on fitness gear, the app not only encourages regular exercise but also fosters a sense of community among its users. Interactive infographics. Simplifying complex information. Infographics are an excellent way to present complex information in a visually appealing and easy-to-understand format. However, by adding interactivity to infographics, you can take user engagement to the next level. Let's say you're promoting a new software product with advanced features that may be difficult for potential customers to grasp at first glance. By creating an interactive infographic that allows users to explore each feature in detail through animations or clickable elements, you provide them with an interactive learning experience that simplifies complex concepts while keeping them engaged. Virtual reality, VR, experiences. Transporting users into another world. Virtual reality has rapidly gained popularity across various industries due to its ability to create immersive experiences like no other medium. Incorporating VR into your marketing efforts allows you to transport users into another world where they can interact with your products or services firsthand. Imagine being able to virtually try on clothes before making a purchase or taking a virtual tour of vacation destinations without leaving the comfort of your home. These types of experiences not only capture attention but also leave lasting impressions on consumers' minds. In conclusion, when traditional marketing fails to cut through the noise and captivate audiences effectively, businesses must turn their attention towards interactive content strategies. From quizzes and surveys that personalize recommendations to immersive storytelling through interactive videos and gamification techniques that make engagement fun, there are numerous ways brands can leverage interactivity for success in today's digital landscape. By incorporating these 5 interactive content strategies into their marketing efforts, businesses can create memorable experiences that not only grab attention but also provide value and foster deeper connections with their target audience. So don't let traditional marketing methods hold you back. Embrace interactivity and watch your brand soar to new heights of success.